Opel Combo, throttle body problem, no working, nothing happens. Very hard stops engine, like a damaged flywheel, but the problem is in throttle. Okay, I show you wiring diagram. This is the diagram for Opel Combo, and there you can see throttle body. This is the pins from engine, and this is from fuse. And what is the problem? No 12-volt supply to throttle body. Now 12 volt, and I start check from throttle body to this connection point X103, and X103 located in here. Check wires, and yeah, the red blue wire was broken. Yeah, this is the problem. No response from diagnostic, nothing. Stay engine fault code. Yeah, and I get wiring diagram from this address, auto repair manuals. Very good place to get wiring diagrams.